So I received a package for my DJI Action 6 and I want to open it with you guys so you can see what it is. All right. This is what I received. Oh my God. I have been wanting one of these. I don't carry your caution. Every breath I do my shadow. Every season I room it out. I am red. I am hell. I am sad. I am chosen. I am sad. I am proud. I am great. I'm becoming everything I pray for. Every step I'm standing tall. I'm a virgin. I'm purity. I'm walking proof of as a grail. You might not the same with me. And that's okay. I talk to myself so I don't forget. I've been at it from the beginning. I'm alive. I'm protected. I'm loved. I'm home. That's okay. That's okay. And then it comes with an alloy wrench. That's pretty nifty. So what you want to do first when you get it is that orange button on the bottom. You're going to push that in like this, and this, there's two. It comes apart like this. Oh, it's magnetic. Wait. Ooh, how cool is that? And this goes here. Ooh, it's so comfortable and flexible. Yeah, I can't wait to record with this tonight. It fits comfortable in my hands. Oh, so this button actually started it to recording for me, which is awesome. So yeah, that's pretty nifty. I really like this. Not only do I like it, it's made out of aluminum. I like it because it's so durable. It's cute. It fits in my hands. Like, this is perfect for me to go out and film some things tonight. It's heavy duty. Like, you can just tell the quality is really, really, really good. I am amazed by this little thing and I love it. I love the fact that you can press this top orange button right here and it powers on for you. I love the fact that this is lightweight. It fits in my hands. My hands are small. It's heavy duty. You can tell that it's made out of quality. And I love the fact that now I can just press this button and power on. And I can also press the same button and it powers it off for me. What's really cool, you guys, is that this little sucker also has a hot shoe on the top of it, so I can take my mic mini transmitter and stick it right here on the top. Or if you have a microphone that you're using, you can just put it literally right on the top. How cool is that? And so yeah, your whole setup is complete. This is just giving you a general idea of what it's gonna look like. So you can put your mic there, or you can put your transmitter right there. Instantly, yes. This is a no-brainer for me. This is an absolute must-have. So yes, this is pretty tech approved.